Look, there's been all this news in the media lately about doom and gloom in the property market and things are dropping and we've hit the peak and all this sort of stuff. And I just wanted to jump on and have a quick chat about that. The media over the last at least 3 years that I've been really focusing on it and helping my clients build their wealth, the media's been completely wrong. I was on Sky News and they got me on because they were thinking the property market's crashing, and this was right at the start of COVID. And I did our research around New York and New Zealand in Auckland when they had their lockdowns, and their property prices boomed. And from that data, I was able to predict that the market was going to boom over the COVID timeframe, and it did. So it's fantastic. And now they're saying the same sort of thing. It's cooling off, it's going to drop, it can't keep growing. But look, when you have a look at the macro numbers for Australia, it's astounding. We've got the lowest vacancy rate for many, many years. Only 3 years ago, Victoria was at 5.2%. Now, it's at 1.1%. Some areas are even 0.2 that we're buying in, and sometimes they're negative. What does a negative vacancy rate mean? That means there's a massive wait list. It means people are moving in the day after people move out. That's astounding. Now, that's with things like we're looking at a housing shortage. Population's growing. A lot of population's moving out of Victoria up to Queensland, off to Adelaide as well. And it's really, really interesting. Now, if we've got a vacancy rate of around 1.2 nationwide, no immigration, and we've got a housing shortage, what do you think is going to happen when we open the borders up to international, which we're starting to do now? What do you think is going to happen to, all those students and all those skilled workers that are coming in to help with the Olympics and now with the Commonwealth Games? We're going to have even higher shortages of housing. So if you're looking to buy and build and grow your wealth through property investing, this is the ideal time. This is really like almost a second boom coming off the back of COVID. So look, I hope that helped you dispel some of the myths around the media saying that the property boom's over. For me, we're just keeping on investing for our clients.